Hello everyone, welcome to today's session. I'm Professor Rahul Jain, and in this video we're going to explore ChatGPT Go, what it is, how it differs from other tiers of ChatGPT, its features, the practical use cases, how to decide if it's right for you, and what the limitations are. By the end of this video you'll have a clear understanding of this offering and how it fits in the broader landscape of AI tools. Let's get started. ChatGPT Go is a subscription plan from OpenAI, intended to provide expanded access to ChatGPT's most popular features at a lower cost than the premium tiers. According to the official Help Center, ChatGPT Go is a new, low-cost subscription plan that provides expanded access to ChatGPT's most popular features at an affordable price point. The plan was first launched in India at a price of Rs. $39.99 a month, roughly $5, in August 2025. In November 2025, OpenAI announced a promotion, making ChatGPT Go free for 12 months in India for users who sign up during a limited period. In short, it sits between the free tier and the higher cost Plus or Pro plans, offering more capability than the free version, but at a lower cost than full premium. Let's highlight what you get with ChatGPT Go and how it differs from free or higher plans. What you get: access to the latest model, e.g. GPT-5, or the more advanced model offerings for that tier. Higher usage limits compared to the free tier, more messages, more file uploads, more image generations. For example, some sources say 10x higher message limits, 10x more image generations, 10x more file uploads. Longer context, memory in a conversation. ChatGPT Go allows the bot to remember more of the prior conversation within a session, or even across sessions, depending on how memory is implemented. Support for multimodal features. Uploading files, e.g. PDFs, spreadsheets, and image generation are part of the enhanced access. How it differs from free tier. The free tier has strict limits on messages, uploads, context length. You may hit a quota or rate limit. ChatGPT Go relaxes those limits significantly. Better performance. Reviewers say using Go gives more reliable, nuanced responses when using GPT-5 versus the free tier, which might fall back to older models or stricter throttling. How it differs from premium tiers, Plus Pro. While Go offers many upgrades over free, it doesn't include every premium feature reserved for higher tiers, e.g. specialized agent modes, deep research modes, perhaps earliest access. The official help says that Plus is designed for advanced users, so Go is positioned as mid-tier, more than basic, less than top. Now, why is ChatGPT Go relevant, especially for teaching, learning, research creators, which is directly relevant to your domain, Professor Jain? Affordability and accessibility. By offering a lower-cost entry point to more advanced AI functionality, it makes advanced tools accessible to students, educators, researchers, and creators, especially in markets like India. For example, the free for 1 year promotion in India shows OpenAI targeting greater inclusion. For educational settings, a mid-tier subscription may yield high value, more uploads of student projects, papers, more context in conversation, more image generation, useful in teaching software, data science, machine learning, enhanced productivity. Consider research workflow. You might upload a PDF of a paper, ask for summaries, ask for critique, ask for code generation. The higher upload and context limits of Go facilitate this. For content creation and learning, you can generate educational video script drafts, slide outlines, example datasets, image illustrations, leveraging the image generation plus file upload abilities. Better student, creator experience. Students working in data science or ML often need to iterate with large context windows, e.g., past conversation memory, multiple uploads, larger threads. Go provides that. For you, as a creator of educational video scripts on ML and NLP defense technology, Go could accelerate ideation, draft generation, scripting, and image generation for visuals. Market significance. The launch of ChatGPT Go signals that OpenAI is recognizing varied user segments and price sensitivity. This may accelerate democratization of AI tools. For educators and institutions, this means planning for AI-enabled workflows becomes more realistic with mid-tier budgets. Here's a general walkthrough based on Indian launch of how one would activate ChatGPT Go. Note: availability may differ by country. Visit the ChatGPT website or open the ChatGPT mobile app. Log in or sign up to your OpenAI ChatGPT account. Navigate to Upgrade your plan or subscription in Settings Profile. Select the ChatGPT Go plan. In India at launch, it was priced at Rs. $399 month. In the promotional offer in India, eligible users who sign up during the window get 12 months free. Important: even in free-for-promotion cases, a valid payment method, like credit card or UPI, may be required to enroll. At the end of the promotional period, billing may begin unless cancelled. Once subscribed, use the higher limits, send more messages, upload files, generate images, leverage longer context. Tip: for educational research use, start by uploading relevant documents, e.g. lecture notes, paper PDF, and ask for summarization, highlights, deeper questioning. While ChatGPT Go is powerful and offers good value, there are important caveats to keep in mind, especially for an educational setting. Regional availability. At present, 2025, ChatGPT Go is available in a limited set of countries, initially India, with wider rollout pending. Payment and renewal risk. Even with promotional free periods, you may need to input payment details and could be billed at renewal, unless cancelled. Always check the terms. Not full premium. Go is designed as a mid-tier. If you need the absolute highest capabilities or specialized agent modes, you may still need a higher plan. Model limitations. Even with GPT-5, AI is not perfect. Expect hallucinations, limited domain reliability, and overconfidence. As researchers and educators, verify outputs, privacy and data handling. Uploading documents to a cloud AI service means trusting the provider's data policy. For sensitive research or student data, check institutional compliance. Cost versus use case. Make sure the increased limits and features actually match your usage. If you only use ChatGPT occasionally, the free tier may be sufficient. Promotion expiry. Free promotional offers, for example the 1-year free in India, may be limited or end. Confirm eligibility and cancellation policies. Since your work involves creating educational video scripts, comparing deep learning models, defense technology topics, here are tailored suggestions for using ChatGPT. Go effectively. Script drafting. Upload your previous script drafts as Word, PDF, and ask ChatGPT Go to suggest improvements, alternative structures, variant audiences, e.g. undergraduate versus graduate. Concept explanation. Use the higher context memory to walk the model through a long explanation of a technical topic, e.g. submarine sonar algorithms, and ask for simplification, analogy, or teaching-level variant. Image generation. Use image generation capability, if available in your region plan, to create visuals for your video, e.g. architecture diagrams of neural networks, schematic of missile defense. File uploads. Upload datasheets or research paper PDFs and ask ChatGPT Go to extract key methods, results, or create summary tables, saving you time. Student assignments. If you teach students, encourage them to use ChatGPT Go for drafting, but emphasize critical review. Teach them to check outputs, validate references, and use the AI as assistant, not final answer. Research review. Use ChatGPT Go to scan multiple papers, upload them, and ask for aggregated insights, research gaps, future directions, citation networks. Helps you prepare lecture to paper reviews. Budget planning. If your educational institution is considering subscriptions, compare free versus Go versus Plus. Evaluate expected usage, number of uploads, size of files, conversation length, to decide cost-benefit. The launch of ChatGPT Go indicates how AI subscription models are evolving: segmentation by usage level, affordability for emerging markets, and faster feature access. For education and research, this means the AI-assisted workflow is becoming more accessible and may become standard. It also raises questions around AI literacy. As more students and educators get access to advanced tools, teaching how to use them responsibly, ethically, and critically becomes crucial. From a research viewpoint, the availability of enhanced tools may accelerate productivity, but also brings new demands. Verifying AI outputs, dealing with larger context windows, integrating multimodal uploads. Looking ahead, as model capabilities improve, e.g. GPT-5 and beyond, plans like Go may expand globally, features may evolve, better image generation, video generation, agent-style tasks. For educators and researchers, staying current will matter. To summarize, ChatGPT Go is a mid-tier subscription by OpenAI offering enhanced access to ChatGPT's popular features at a lower cost. It offers higher limits, more uploads, better memory, image generation, and access to advanced models. It's especially relevant for creators, educators, researchers, and students who need more than the free tier but less than full premium. As with any AI tool, it is powerful but not infallible. Use it critically, verify outputs, and align its use with your educational research goals. If you are an educator working on video scripts, ML/TAS NLP topics, defense technology teaching modules, as you are, ChatGPT Go offers a very useful tool in your toolkit. Thank you for watching. If you found this video useful, do like and subscribe to the channel if you're posting this on YouTube or educational platform. And feel free to leave your questions in the comments below. I'll be glad to respond. See you in the next session.